So friends, now we will discuss the electronic effects in organic reactions. Okay, so write down the heading: electronic effects. Electronic effects in organic reactions. Organic reactions. You can say electronic effect or इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ओके, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैसे होती है ऑर्गेनिक रिएक्शन में. ओके फ्रेंड्स, एज वी नो दैट इफ अ मॉलिक्यूल इज पोलर, ओके, if a molecule is polar means you know that polar covalent bond, if it is present in the molecule, that molecule is called polar molecule, means charge separation is there in some molecules. Okay, partial positively charged and partial negative charge centers are created in the molecule. That is called nucleophilic and electrophilic center. Negative and positive charge, they are created in the molecule. That is called polarity, or you can say the bond is polar covalent bond and the polarity is there in the molecule. That molecule is polar molecule. Okay, so this is what how the electrophilic and nucleophilic centers are generated in the molecule. Okay, so that we will discuss in detail in this point: electronic effects in organic reaction. Okay, take down the heading. Now what is mean by this electronic effect? Friends, इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक जो सेंटर होता है, इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक रिएजेंट, दैट इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सेंटर और इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक रिएजेंट sometimes attack on nucleophilic center in the substrate. Okay, and nucleophilic reagent attacks on the electrophilic center in the substrate. हमने एक एग्जांपल देखा था CH3Br plus KOH. अब यहाँ पे देखो OH negative is a nucleophile. Okay, it's a nucleophile. Now अगर ये बॉन्ड देखा आपने कार्बन और ब्रोमीन का, ये पोलर बॉन्ड है और ब्रोमीन पे डेल्टा नेगेटिव, कार्बन पे पार्शियल पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है. So the electrophilic and nucleophilic centers are generated in the molecule because of the electronegativity difference between carbon and bromine, and this nucleophile attacks on electrophilic center in substrate, and others are electrophile like nucleophile attacks on electrophilic center in the substrate. Electrophile will attack on nucleophilic center in the substrate. And how these nucleophilic and electrophilic centers are generated, that we can easily understand how the positively charged and negatively charged centers are generated. That is due to the electronegativity difference. And this is what the electronic effects. Write down definition of electronic effects: the displacement of valence electrons, the displacement of valence electrons resulting in polarization. Displacement of valence electrons resulting in polarization of organic molecule is called electronic effect. Okay, देखो ये बहुत ही easy definition है, electronic effect. Okay, so what is this electronic effect? It is the displacement of valence electrons. Valence electrons, or you can say simple displacement of electrons in organic molecule, which results in polarization. पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव चार्ज तैयार हो जाते हैं, ठीक है, ऑर्गेनिक मॉलिक्यूल में, एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इफेक्ट. नाउ these electronic effects are of two types. Some electronic effects are permanent effect and some electronic effects are temporary effect. Now in which case this electronic effect is permanent one and in which case it is temporary, that we will see. Okay, So electronic effects are of two types. Write down. The electronic effect that occurs in the ground state are, write down, the electronic effects that occur in the ground state. Ground state means in the molecule itself. Okay. Write down permanent effect and temporary effect. अब ये दो टाइप के इफेक्ट है. फर्स्ट इज परमानेंट इफेक्ट. राइट डाउन. परमानेंट इफेक्ट एंड टेम्पररी इफेक्ट. सेकंड इज व्हाट? टेम्पररी इफेक्ट. टेम्पररी इफेक्ट. राइट डाउन. Permanent effect and temporary effect. Okay, which of the electronic effect, which electronic effect is permanent effect and which electronic effect is a temporary effect, that we will see. Now the effect, electronic effect, write down this electronic effect. The electronic effect, you can write the electronic effect in ground state. In ground state is called permanent effect. And the electronic effect which occurs in presence of reagent is called temporary effect. Now which of these electronic effect is a permanent effect? Example, write down. Example is inductive effect. This inductive effect, it is also called I effect and resonance effect, R effect. Okay, we will see what is meant by this inductive effect, resonance effect. Okay, and second is what? Electromagnetic effect or polarizability effect. Electromagnetic effect or polarizability effect. This is the difference between what? Permanent effect and temporary effect. Okay, so these are the two types of effects. They are present in organic molecule. अगर ग्राउंड स्टेट में देखो, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इफेक्ट इन द ग्राउंड स्टेट इज कॉल्ड परमानेंट इफेक्ट. अब परमानेंट इफेक्ट वो इफेक्ट होता है जो ग्राउंड स्टेट में प्रेजेंट होता है. ग्राउंड स्टेट में मींस विद इन अ मॉलिक्यूल. अगर एक न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल लिया आपने, उस मॉलिक्यूल में ही अगर इफेक्ट प्रेजेंट है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिस्प्लेसमेंट प्रेजेंट है, तो उस इफेक्ट को हम कहेंगे परमानेंट इफेक्ट. एंड द एग्जांपल इज व्हाट? इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट एंड रेजोनेंस इफेक्ट. ओके, ओनली रिमेंबर दिस टू इफेक्ट्स आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ परमानेंट इफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इफेक्ट में. और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इफेक्ट टेम्पररी कब होता है? अगर वो इलेक्ट्रॉन का डिस्प्लेसमेंट, अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन की डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ रिएजेंट हो रही है, तो उस इफेक्ट को हम कह सकते हैं टेम्पररी इफेक्ट, टेम्पररी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिस्प्लेसमेंट. बट द परमानेंट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिस्प्लेसमेंट इफ ऑकर विद इन द मॉलिक्यूल, that is a permanent effect. Okay, so these are the two types of effect you must remember. So the question may be asked on the inductive effect, which of the following is a permanent effect, permanent electronic effect? Option, correct option is inductive effect or resonance effect. And which of the following is a temporary effect, electromagnetic effect or polarizability effect? Remember this. Okay, now we will move to the inductive effect concept. Okay, so write down next study inductive effect. What is mean by inductive effect. Write down inductive effect. It is also called I effect, capital I effect. What is meant by inductive effect? बहुत ही इजी इफेक्ट है, देखो दोस्तों, इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट. राइट डाउन. फर्स्ट इफेक्ट दैट वी आर डिस्कसिंग इज इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट. It is also called I effect. Okay, we know that, friends, a covalent bond is polar one when there is a electronegativity difference present between the two atoms. Okay, अगर दो एटम्स में इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस है तो वो बॉन्ड जो है वो पोलर कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड होता है. राइट. When, write down this, what is the definition of inductive effect? Write down. When an organic molecule has a polar covalent bond, when an organic molecule has polar covalent bond, when an organic molecule has polar covalent bond in its structure, polarity is induced in adjacent bond. It is called inductive effect. Inductive word comes from induced, artificially generated. Inductive effect. Now it is what? Permanent effect. अब इसका एग्जांपल हम लेंगे दोस्तों, so that you will understand this. Consider the example of chloroethane, CH3CH2Cl. It is chloroethane or ethyl chloride. Common name is ethyl chloride. IUPAC name chloroethane. Okay, remember now. Now see this. This is the example of inductive effect. अगर आपने ये मॉलिक्यूल देखा दोस्तों तो आपको ये समझ में आएगा. देखो ये C1 है और ये C2 है. ओके, अब ये कार्बन और क्लोरीन का जो बॉन्ड है, आपको पता है कार्बन से ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है क्लोरीन. सो दिस क्लोरीन पुल्स इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी टुवर्ड्स इट. This shared pair is more displaced towards chlorine and hence chlorine acquires partial negative charge. So this carbon acquires what? Positive charge, partial positive charge. Okay, so the bond becomes polar here. ये जो bond है वो क्या होता है? This bond becomes polar. Now see here, carbon is less electronegative, chlorine is more electronegative. So chlorine pulls electron density towards it. Due to that chlorine acquires partial negative charge and carbon acquires partial positive charge. Okay, now this partial positively charged carbon, now it is what? Electron deficient or positively charged, so it needs or it attracts electrons, so it pulls electron density. Which electron density? This shared pair. This shared pair is get pulled by this carbon. Due to that, some positive character is developed here also. So delta 1, delta 2 you can say. C2. Okay. So C1 C2 bond also becomes polar. अब यहाँ पे देखो कार्बन क्लोरीन ये जो बॉन्ड है, when an organic molecule has a polar covalent bond, ये polar covalent bond था because क्लोरीन मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव था कार्बन से, इसलिए क्लोरीन ने इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी को खुद की तरफ खींच लिया, पुल कर लिया, इसलिए क्लोरीन पे चार्ज आ गया पार्शियल नेगेटिव, कार्बन पे आ गया पार्शियल पॉजिटिव. अब ये बॉन्ड पोलर है. व्हेन ऑर्गेनिक मॉलिक्यूल हैज अ पोलर कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड इन इट्स स्ट्रक्चर, polarity is induced in adjacent bond। ये देखो ये जो बॉन्ड है ये पोलर कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड हो गया। ये पोलर कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड होने के कारण फिर उसके बाद क्या होता है, पोलैरिटी इज इंड्यूस्ड इन दिस एडजेसेंट बॉन्ड। पोलैरिटी इज इंड्यूस्ड इन एडजेसेंट बॉन्ड, इट इज कॉल्ड इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट। ओके, अब देखो ये मॉलिक्यूल में ही प्रेजेंट है इसलिए परमानेंट इफेक्ट है। इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द ग्राउंड स्टेट, दैट इज इट इज इन मॉलिक्यूल। अब आप कहोगे कि ये यहां पे पोलैरिटी इंड्यूस कैसे हुई, ठीक है। अब देखो अगर मैंने ये स्ट्रक्चर लिया CH3-CH3, now both atoms are of carbon, both will what we can say pull electrons, these shared electrons equally, okay, these two carbon pull electron density equally, so there is no electronegativity difference between these two carbons because they are atoms of same element, so they pull electron density to the same extent, right? But if chlorine is there, chlorine pulls electron density from this carbon, so chlorine takes partial negative charge, carbon takes partial positive charge, okay, right? तो ये बॉन्ड क्या हो गया, पोलर। this bond becomes polar covalent bond. Now due to this polar covalent bond, the polarity is induced in the adjacent bond. How it is induced? अब ये जो कार्बन पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है ये भी खुद की तरफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को पुल करेगा, ये शेयर्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन। This shared pair of electron is pulled by this carbon. Due to that, now positive charge, next positive charge is generated on this carbon. Okay, so the polarity is induced. A little electronegativity difference you can say. Also, it produced between these two carbons. Okay, this is more electronegative than this carbon now. Okay, so it pulls electron density towards it. This is what this effect is called inductive effect. Take down the definition and example. Now this arrowhead put in the center of bond, ये जो arrowhead है हमने put किया है in the center of bond is used to represent inductive effect. Note down this point. This arrowhead put in the center of bond, write down, arrowhead put in center of bond used to represent inductive effect. Write down, arrowhead put in center of bond used to represent inductive effect. Inductive effect. Remember this point. Okay, now we'll take next example. समझो हमारे पास है N-butyl chloride. Now we'll see second example, N-butyl chloride. Now to which distance this exists? This is also very important point. After three covalent bonds, it vanishes or disappears. Okay, or the effect is negligible. समझो मैंने एक एग्जांपल लिया, सेकंड एग्जांपल लो, CH3 CH2 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 Cl. Now here chlorine pulls electron density towards it, so it acquires partial positive charge, it acquires partial negative charge, and this partial positive, this is I can say plus delta 1. It again pulls this electron density towards it, so there is partial positive charge second generated here. It also pulls electron density towards it. Okay, so partial positive charge is generated here. 1 2 3. This inductive effect is negligible after 3 bonds. Write down, inductive effect is transferred to subsequent carbons along carbon chain, and it is negligible beyond 3 bonds. This is very important. It is negligible beyond 3 bonds. ये भी क्वेश्चन आपको पूछ सकते हैं. Inductive effect is negligible beyond 3 bonds. Remember this. Okay, so this eye effect is also categorized or classified into two types: plus eye effect and minus eye effect. Minus eye means electron withdrawing inductive effect, that is called minus eye effect. Like this chlorine is showing electron withdrawing, that is minus eye effect, and this carbon is showing electron donating or plus eye effect. Okay, it depends on the ability of the group to withdraw or donate electron density. Okay,